Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Need simple and direct advanced solution to convert bulk MSG files to PDF at once? Today's video is for you. We will help you with the complete stepwise guide to use the smart tool for quick and hassle-free conversion. Open the software. Click on the Add Source option. Here, we have two options to select bulk MSG files. Select MSG files to export, to choose specific ones. Search Add MSG files across your PC, to select all MSG files at once. Click on the Browse tab, under Add MSG files across your PC. Search for the desired folder that contains MSG files. Then, hit the OK tab. Once the folder is added, click on the Add Files option. Wait for a while till the MSG files are loading. Now, go to the chosen folder. Click on it, and it will automatically show you all the stored MSG files. Note, here you can take the help of the Filters section to filter out the needed MSG files with their components like from, to, cc, bcc, subject, body, read, unread, attachment, and date. Then tap on the Apply filter. Click on the needed MSG files to view their complete attributes, like metadata, attachments, email body, etc. Then click on the Export option and choose the PDF tab. Go to the File Naming Convention option and choose the desired one. Check the Extract Attachments in Separate folder, skip empty folders, open folder after export is done, and get Log Report of Conversion options. Now set the timeline of MSG files with the Date filter. Select From to accordingly. Browse the desired location to save the PDF file. Click on the OK tab to proceed further. Finally, tap on the Export tab to start the MSG to PDF conversion. Once the conversion is completed, click on the Done tab to access the file location directly. Note, you can also extract attachments and email addresses separately from the MSG files to the desired location. Thanks for watching the video. Visit the official website for detailed information about the tool.